Welcome to Moms Every Day, helpful hints for a happier home.
Welcome to momseveryday.com. Joining me today is Jessica Christian with the Early Childhood Intervention Program through MHMR. We're talking about developmental milestones. So first off, for new parents, when should a child typically walk?
Well, all kids are unique, but generally we say that kids should start taking some steps with both their hands held by about 10 months. At about 12 to 14 months, they start kind of taking one to three steps on their own, and then by about probably about 15 months, they start walking on their own.
Okay, what about talking? That's another big one.
Well, they can start babbling some of those consonant chains like the ba, 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 or da, da, da around 4 to 6 months. By about 15 months, they have about 10 to 15 words. At 2 years, they start putting 1 to 2 words, the 2 words together. And then by 3 years, they have over 200 words and start making some simple sentences.
Okay, if a parent is worried their child isn't meeting those milestones, what should they do?
Well, we suggest that they talk to their pediatrician first because they have lots of resources about the milestones. But if they're not going to see the doctor, then we suggest that they go ahead and give us a call because early is best.
Yeah, and what do y'all do then?
Then we will refer them on to a service coordinator who does an intake. Then they will get a team together to do a comprehensive evaluation to decide if the child's eligible for our services. And then if they are eligible, the team, along with the parents, will write a plan for that child.
Great. Okay, well, if you'd like more information about ECI and developmental milestones, you can watch this segment again by logging on to momseveryday.com/BCS.